Hello, I'm Rachel Rose. Welcome to my video. Today I came home from work and this was waiting for me. It's a Silverthorpe and Daughters Samhain deluxe box. I'm so excited because they make really nice boxes. Okay, I love the little gourd on the front, that's cute. Alright, dear Rachel, Samhain's vintage find is a dead stock dip pen. I think that's what it says. With a wonderfully witchy hand-shaped nib. Perfect for use with your own ink or for inscribing intentions onto candles. I've also included a lovely piece of black tourmaline from my favourite crystal person, Mortar. Oh, I shouldn't have read that because now that's not such a surprise. But I love these personalised little notes. It's very sweet. Okay, let's open this first. Oh, it's the herbs. So we've got oak, associated with healing, money and luck. Fantastic. I love oak. Its Ogham name is Dur, which is really beautiful, I think. I'm going to open it up. I wonder if it's just oak leaves or it might be bark. Bits of acorn maybe? Let's have a look. Oh, it's oak. Oh look! It's actual leaves. That's so cool. That can also represent the Oak King. And at the winter solstice, the Oak King battles with the Holly King and takes over from him. And that's when the sunlight starts coming back, which is cool. Yeah, lovely. I don't have any oak growing around near me, not any English oak anyway. I think there's Cecil oak in the park nearby. Oh, mugwort. I love mugwort. Yeah, divination, strength and protection. So it's good for scrying. I sometimes put mugwort in a tea I make to drink before going to bed to help me have interesting dreams. Ooh, lovely, yeah. I love how mugwort's quite kind of clingy. I don't know if you can see what I mean. It kind of clings together. Fantastic. I've got lots of mugwort, so I'll add that to my jar. But I use it all the time, so that's wonderful to get some more. I love the illustrations on the packets as well. It's really pretty. I actually keep the illustrations. I've been sticking them to jars. So here's the Meadowsweet one that I got in a previous box. I put loads of Meadowsweet in there. I kept the label, and I've got calendula as well. So I love that. Oh, blackthorn. Fab. Blackthorn thorns. Oh, so they can be used if you have an effigy or a voodoo doll, they're also called. You can stab them, or you could use them to inscribe like candles and things. Associated with protection of self and home. Yeah, it's very protective because blackthorn's covered in really sharp thorns. Cool. Let's have a look. And blackthorn's Ogham name is Strife. A bit like strife. Oh, look at them. cool. Yeah, and that's where sloe berries come from as well. The blackthorn tree. So that's a little sloe there. So good for making sloe gin. Yeah, fabulous. Cool. Ooh, and valerian seeds. Cool. I have a lot of valerian growing around my area, but I think it's more the cultivated valerian. So maybe this is more of a natural type. Cats really love valerian. They act a bit like catnip with it, but it smells. One of its folk names is Poo Poo. And it doesn't really smell like poo, but it smells pretty bad. It's the root that smells. So sometimes you can smell it if it's just been raining and the aroma from the roots kind of comes up into the air. Ooh, maybe this willow charcoal. Oh, that's amazing. Ooh, I hope I don't break it. Oh, I love using charcoal and chalk for artwork. Oh, look at that. There are 2 pieces. Oh, cool. Lovely. Wow. Exciting. Alright, let's have a look at this. Divination Herb Blend. This herb blend combines the magical properties of meadowsweet, yarrow, mint and rose to create a cleansing and clarifying combination. It can be used as an altar/circle herb, added to salts to create a bath soak, or used in your divination spells. I'm gonna have to sniff it. I love sniffing things. Plants are amazing. I can smell the rose in there. Oh yeah, look, lots of rose petals. And you can see the little yarrow flowers as well. Fabulous. That's great for Samhain. It's a good time for divination because the veil between the worlds is thin. So a lot of divination happens to Samhain. Okay, let's open this. Oh, that was really cool. It's very Samhain-y. Oh, and there's a little frog. And there's the toad. I love the toad. And there's a bat. Wow, this seems more Halloween-y. And I'm really fascinated by anatomy. So I love how it's got all the bones of the skull labelled. Parietal bone, frontal bone, sphenoid bone. Yep. Yeah, this is proper Halloween-y themed paper. I really love the little toad that comes on the paper. I kept this little one. But now we got a frog as well. Wow. Oh, I love frog and toads. That's so cool. I'm going to stick that on my wall. Right, I reckon this is going to be crystals, or a crystal. Oh yes, look. Black tourmaline, Whitby jet. Oh, okay, let's open this up. Ow. Oh, wow. Beautiful. This is all jet. So it's really light. think jet is petrified wood, I think. So that's why it's light, because it's not really a stone. Beautiful. The crystals in this box are always fantastic. Ooh, I'm tingly. So, Whitby jet, Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn. Element of earth. Protection, redefinition, purification, grounding and luck. Relief from headaches and migraines, and recovery from traumatic injury. I've been getting a lot of headaches recently because I had a sinus infection. Not COVID, but yeah, so wow, fab. So this card must be for the tourmaline. Libra and air. Cleansing, happiness, creative power, repels negative energy. I always have some in the corners of my flat to kind of protect from negative energy. I often have a chunk of it at work as well, next to the computer. Healing associations. Benefits endocrine and nervous systems, eliminates fears, increases empathy. I don't think I need my empathy increasing, thank you. Okay, Himalayan salt. That's always very useful. I've got a little bowl of it here, absorbing any negativity. Probably lots of moisture from my damp flat. Himalayan salt. Probably looks just the same as that. Salt's very useful. Casting circles and yeah, looks. You can put it in baths as well, which is nice and cleansing, like before or after a ritual. I don't know if you can hear my little mouse sneezing. Okay, incense, sandalwood. Nice, that's very good for cleansing as well. I sometimes cleanse the flat with some chunks of, I've got this big chunk of sandalwood, so I like to light it and then smudge with the smoke. Give it a sniff. Yes, that's very sandalwoody. Cool. Let's do this one. Oh, maybe this is the pen. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Look at that. Wow. I've never actually used a proper pen like this where you dip it in ink before. It feels like wood as well. The handle. How interesting. I do have some magical ink. I have some dragon's blood ink, so I could use it with that. Oh, how exciting. That's really cool. Fab. Okay, I think this must be a piece of tourmaline because it feels quite heavy. Yeah, oh, look at that lovely big chunk. Fab, it's really dense as well. Some black tourmaline I've had has been a bit crumbly. I had a big chunk of it, but it broke. I think that the damp kind of got into the cracks, but this is very dense. Wow, I love the little striations as well, like veins of some other mineral, maybe quartz? Yeah, possibly. Oh, that's so cool. That's got lovely energy about it as well. Fab. I really love raw crystals. Ooh. And there's something else as well. This is quite heavy. Ooh, a big black candle. Perfect for Samhain. Wow, lovely. And I have a candle holder that this will fit in. I think I got one from the Freya's Cauldron. Yeah, that this will fit in because it's a bit bigger than your average spell candle. Look at that beastie. Wow, perfect. Cool. So here's the paperwork. And I love how all the packaging is either recyclable or I can reuse it. I could use this for my pet mice as bedding, or if I sell bits on eBay I can pack it with it. Okay, so this goes through all the bits and bobs that are in the box. Fabulous. And a guide to Samhain. So we've got some crystals, information, herbs, celebration ideas. Yeah, there's a full moon on Samhain this year. I think it's Saturday. Yeah, so perfect. And not a school night. Yeah, so you can leave bread, salt and apples for the spirits. Light a candle in your window to help them find their way back to the other world. A lot of people do a dumb supper where you create a dinner and set places for relatives or ancestors who have passed on, and it's called dumb because you're completely silent for the whole thing to honour them. So you're giving them the offerings of food as well as honouring them with the silence, which I think is lovely. I might do that this year. Okay, so in this lovely box we've got our guide to Samhain. Fabulous, massive black candle. It can be used for banishing rituals, spelling negativity, all good stuff like that. Fabulous chunk of black tourmaline, beautiful. It's an amazing pen. I can't wait to try that out. I bet my writing will be horrendous. I'm used to using a biro, but yeah, I'll make lots of effort to make my writing neat in spell work. We got 3 gorgeous pieces of Witchy jet. Sandalwood incense cone. Some Himalayan salt, which is always very useful. Divination herb blend. Fab. Valerian seeds to plant. Valerian's very good for sleeping as well, or anxiety. So it's good for insomnia. You can add it to a tea before you go to bed. Although, it has got that smell, so it's best to add it with other nicer smelling herbs. But it's a very useful plant. Got 2 beautiful pieces of willow charcoal. Wow, I'll definitely do some artwork with them. Got blackthorn thorns. Awesome. Mugwort. Fab. And oak. Beautiful. Oop. Okay, did I put everything back in? Sometimes I forget to. Yes. Oh, of course I love this. Still go on the wall. So, yes. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm rachelrose.drusidruid. Thank you. Bye bye.